sweetly, like the sugar wind of the west. I was someone to lean on.